ABS-CBN Sports proudly presents.
Mariano the steal, Mariano the slam, and Jose now into
Teamwork.
They're looking to break that streak today. Ball right back up.
Heart.
Javier, three. Oh, what a nice shot!
Focus.
And gets the fresh screen. Bart puts it down on AV.
Power.
Oh, what a move!
Instinct.
Revilla goes to his right. Revilla puts it up. Goal!
Confidence.
Rivera all the way. Posterizer Scarilla.
Pride.
Torres, Rondial tries to tip it to himself. He gets it back. Rondial gets it up the net.
Excitement. UAAP Season 76. Greatness never ends.
On the break, the Blue Eagles were running. Ravenna to Johnson.
In the first game of August 28, Ateneo de Manila University racked up its fifth straight victory as the Blue Eagles demolished the Tamaraos of Far Eastern University 92-73.
Johnson fires from the corner and he converts at
Ateneo point guard Wami Tiongson sizzled from beyond the three-point arc as he scored a career-high 20 points to go along with 2 assists in the victory. In the second game last August 28, the University of Santo Tomas halted its 3-game losing skid after grounding Adamson University 80-67.
Abdul with a left.
USD big man Karim Abdul proved to be the tower of power for the Tigers once again as he finished with a double-double of 19 points and 12 rebounds. Opening game last August 31, Adamson University finally ended its 6-game losing streak after foiling the winless University of the Philippines 67-53.
Whoa! Slam dunk! Nice assist by Monte.
Today's win talagang give us a sigh of relief, and because everybody doubt us. Especially the coach, what's my ability as a coach. We have to finish the season with the pride, and happy to see this team winning again. I hope in our last 2 games we played well again, because we want to make a statement, even though we're out of the tournament for the Final Four.
First-year center Ingrid Sewa finally came alive for Adamson as he scored 18 points to go along with 15 rebounds.
As an offensive rebound is given to Impe.
In the second game of August 31, National University rolled to its 5th win in a row after defeating the University of the East 81-73.
For help, naiwanan kasi siya. And he gets his 12th point on a rack attack.
Coming into this game, we knew that Mami and Casajeros will not play. And we knew also that you will come out with a lot of emotions, and they're going to use that as their motivation. There were some parts of the game that I felt we lost our composure, But the good thing is we were able to regain it back, and they were able to regroup and find ways to get back to our game plan.
National Youth Center Emmanuel Embe muscled his way with another double-double of 18 points and 11 boards for the Bulldogs.
11 rebounds and 2 blocks as he knocks down.
In the first encounter last September 1, the University of Santo Tomas won back-to-back contests after outlasting Far Eastern University in double overtime, 79-78.
They do. Abdul. Clippers and the foul.
This is not giving up. Talagang yung effort, desire, yung puso nandun. Yun ang hinahanap ko. Nawala sa expecting na makarecover kami. In spite na may mga key players tayong wala. Basta kami, one game at a time. Mabit yung ng point. Okay, mas okay kami. Final four, okay kami.
USD slotman Kareem Abdul carried the load for the Tigers and NU as he compiled 24 points and grabbed a dozen rebounds.
It's time to start the fun. End of the quarter, Vosotros! Vosotros!
In the second game last September 1, De La Salle University stretched its winning run to 4 games after Jeron Tang's game winners zapped Ateneo de Manila University 66-64.
We're not really looking at the top 2, or we just want to make sure we do a good job in the last games. And if we win and we make whatever it is that we make, then we make it. If not, that's how it goes. How we approach every ball game, it's our mindset going into each ball game is more important, and that's how I want to see our advantage.
Veteran DLSU guard Alman Vosotros exploded for 19 points, 16 of which came in the second half, along with 6 rebounds for the Green Archers. UAAP Season 76. Greatness never ends.
It is a classic David versus Goliath matchup at the Araneta Coliseum as the new #1 team in the standings. The National University Bulldogs, riding a 5-game winning streak, will take on the winless UP Fighting Maroons. 10 games they've lost straight since the beginning of the season. In the main event today, De La Salle Green Archers will take on the UE Red Warriors. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Thank you for tuning in to us sa Studio 20 High Definition, Balls HD Channel 167, and all around the world via the Filipino channel. Ako po, si Eric Tipan, kasama si Coach Alan Gregorio. We'll be joined courtside by our reporters from UP. We have Bea Fabregas, and reporting for National University, we have Trisha Robredo. Tingnan muna po natin ang ating team standings para malaman with just a couple more games remaining kung ano ng status.
Well, it's very important for the National University Bulldogs to keep on winning. They're looking at a win today to make sure that they have a full game advantage against second-running Far Eastern University, who at this point is already they already have 4 losses in this second round. So ang kapunan naman ng University of the Philippines, eto, partner, pride and determination na lang to, no? They want to get out of that 17-game losing streak, and of course, their first win for this season. Ito, titignan natin. Ito yung sinasabi natin, no? 8 wins and 3 losses. Pag nanalo dito ang NU, that would make it 9-3 or a full game advantage against FEU. And of course, looking at the UP Fighting Maroons, they're not just looking at the 0-10, they're looking at a 0-17 dating back to last year's losses.
So obviously with 4 games remaining para sa UP, at least get 1, get 2, maybe get all of them. That is what they're targeting. Tingnan natin yung first meeting between these two teams. That was last July. And obviously, nung panahon na yun, nanalo ang National University by a huge margin.
Well, yun nga, no? Nung Ray Ray Park's show, of course, 74-60. I remember that game very well, no? The UP had a good second quarter, but you know, in the fourth quarter, medyo nag-struggle na sila. Again, yung nagiging problema nga pagdating ng end game, medyo nagkakanya-kanya ang mga taga UP Fighting Maroons. As you see, I was telling you, 18 points, almost a double-double coming from Ray Ray Parks. And of course, a splendid performance, 14 points and 3 rebounds on the part of Joseph Marata.
Alright, pag-usapan natin. Balik po natin ang National University right after this.
UAAP Season 76. Greatness never ends. UAAP Season 76. Greatness never ends.
It is the matchup of 1 versus 8 dito sa Araneta Coliseum. NU versus UP. Pag-usapan natin yung number 1 team sa ating standings ngayon. And the reason why they are the number 1 team in terms of second or points inside the paint, and dala yan ang kanilang big man inside. We're talking about Emmanuel Embe, who has been performing splendidly well para sa National University, and this is what a lot of the NU fans have been looking for, yung suporta kay Ray Ray Parks. And finally, Emmanuel Embe has become the top dog in terms of support para kay Ray Ray Parks.
Well, so much power being displayed by this guy, Emmanuel Embe. Every time they need points inside, the struggle from the outside is just there because of the defense. This guy always steps up in offense. He's averaging 15.7 points per game. That's almost 16 points and 11.3 rebounds, double-double. Pero kita mo, no, walang 4 shots. Alam niya kung kailan siya titira. 52.4 field goals in 30.8 minutes per game. So almost 3/4 of the time you will see Emmanuel Embe playing for Coach Eric Altamirano. And he has really played great basketball for NU this season.
And they are really coming into their own. They're peaking at the right time of the season. That's why they're riding a 5-game winning streak, overtaking FEU as the number 1 team. Pakinggan natin mula kay Trisha Robredo right now, you know, the effect of this 5-game winning streak, and what also yung nadadala ni Emmanuel Embe to this 5-game winning streak.
Well, Eric and Alan, a 5-game winning streak and a solo place at number 1 are no ordinary achievement for the boys in blue. It's been decades since we last saw the Manila-based squad with this kind of a record, and the Bulldogs are just very happy and proud of what they have achieved so far. Now, prior to this match, I actually had a chance to talk to Sean Embe, who is quite interestingly the kuya of the boys. He told me that his success and his team's success is due to their maturity. Now they actually trust each other more, they listen to the coaches more, and they only act in accordance for what's best for the team. Sabi nga sa akin ng kupunan, hindi na ito pasikatan kundi tulungan. Now with only 3 games left in round 2, Coach Eric hopes that the boys continue to play as a unit. They are good as individuals, but they work better as a team. He praises the Bulldogs for their consistent performance, but he also asks them to stay humble, to stay focused, and to work hard to reach their goals. Back to you, Eric and Alan.
All right, thank you, Trisha. That's indeed a sign of a team that has really matured. It's the fact that wala nang kanya-kanya. You find the open man, you share the ball, and the goal is to make the entire team better.
From the struggles of 3 years ago to the improvement of last year, and what a season going to the final 3 games. We expect more from the National University Bulldogs.
All right, pag-usapan natin pagbalik yung struggling UP Fighting Maroons. Stay with us, please.
UAAP Season 76. Greatness never ends. UAAP Season 76. Greatness never ends.
UP Fighting Maroons continue to struggle. 10-game losing streak na po sila amid hopes by so many people, especially after the coaching change na baka may magbago sa sistema and fire up the players, but it hasn't, it is not apparent as of yet, pero you'll never know. We still have 4 games left for them, including this one, and tingnan natin yung they started out pretty well nung simula, no? With Marata firing pretty well from the field, pero as the pressure mounted for UP to find their wins, and he was asked to do a lot more, it seems like it has affected his game as well as his percentage declined by stages.
Well, you know what's happening to Marata now is what exactly happened when Mike Silungan was still playing for UP. No, he would be scoring points, a lot of points actually. Pero dumadating yung second round na talagang lahat ng pag-aaral ginagawa na how do you stop a guy like Mike Silungan? And that is exactly what is happening again to Marata. From a 14.3 points first round average is now down to 11.3 points. But against Adamson, there was a big struggle. He only had 8 points. Even his percentages are down. Now, even his three-point shooting, they're all down. It's really a demand decline right here for Joseph Marata.
And I'm pretty sure it's weighing heavily on the boys, the Fighting Maroons, and even the coaching staff. Let's try to talk to Bea about this 10-game losing streak and about Marata, the decline of his point production, and what else he can do to help the team.
Eric and Alan, you just said it. A 10-game losing streak really is a lot to handle for anybody. But after that game against Adamson, Coach Ray Madrid was calm and collected. And what he told the boys is that they cannot be too hard on themselves and they really need to believe that they are still capable of winning. But right now, I want to focus my report on Joseph Marata. Now, we have noticed in the second round, he hasn't been scoring as much. This is because Coach Ray gave him instructions to get his teammates more involved in the offense. And when I asked Marata how he felt about this, he said that he definitely feels the heavier defense on him in the second round, and this is something that he's definitely willing to do for the team. He just hopes in his last 4 remaining games in the UAP, he can do more for his team and be whatever role he needs to be, whether it's passing that ball or being aggressive and taking that drive to the basket. Eric and Alan?
All right, thanks, Bea. Indeed, napakalaking bagay to put on a guy who's playing for your school for the first time, first year niya, playing for UP, and first part of the season he was scoring, and then he's going to be tasked to deliver the ball and involve the other teammates as well,
Well, that's the overall picture of basketball. Basketball is not just about shooting. Basketball is not about scoring. There are certain aspects in the game that you also have to improve on. Ball handling, passing that ball. And that's one thing, that's the challenge being poised by Coach Ray Madrid to a struggling offense, that's si Joseph Marata.
And obviously, he is up to the challenge and he will face that today as they take on National University. Tingnan natin yung matchup na pwede nating abangan throughout the game. It's Sparks versus Marata, sa ating Gatorade-fueled duel of the game, because with Gatorade, they are fueled for the win.
Well, there are 16.6 points, 8.7 rebounds, and after a great first round, still almost 13.5 points per game and 3.5 rebounds. Maybe the rebounding part is something that Marata can help with.
All right, folks, we have the #1 team with a 5-game winning streak. Coach Ray Madrid looking to break the 10-game losing streak para naman kay Eric Altamirano. They want to solidify their hold at #1 and make it a 6-game winning streak. We have the tip-off coming up next dito lang sa Studio 23.
UAAP Season 76. Greatness never ends.
Let's meet the starters for the now league-leading National University Bulldogs. At point guard number 4, Jello Alolino. The off guard number 20, Mark Porter. At center number 14, Sean Emby. Our forward number 18, Dennis Villamor. And at forward number 15, Bobby Ray Parks. Head coach of the Bulldogs is Eric Altamirano. And now starting for the UP Fighting Maroons, our forward number 8, Chris Ball. Forward number 20, Julius Wong. Center number 17, Raul Soyot. Point guard number 14, Henry Asilum. And the off guard number 16, Joseph Marata.
Haynes starting 5. From Haynes, America's leading underwear brand, Embe. Parks coming off 18-point performances in their last game. Raul Soyut coming off a 17-point performance, and this guy has been playing pretty well para sa UP. 30% from beyond the arc and a little higher than that from the perimeter. He's been the workhorse so far para sa Fighting Maroons. It's time to start the fun as the heavy underdogs UP take on the favorites, National University.
It's very important for Raul Soyut not to get into early foul trouble. Of course, the challenge is how do you stop a big guy like Emmanuel Embe. But on the other side, just don't get into foul trouble. Maybe you can also attack Embe and let him go into foul trouble. But that's a good start again for National University. A set shot coming from Ray Park.
He was 1 for 3 in that NU win over UE. Knocks in the first one pero bumawi yung fifth-year player ng UP, Julius Wong, with a 3 as well. Porter in trouble. And he gets the ball taken away. Marata looking to be more of a facilitator as well as a scorer. Soyu drives, stops, and travels.
Yeah, he already had that 1-2 steps before that fake. That's a good call on the part of our refs.
Ito yung nabanggit mong set shot, when everybody was still trying to adjust defensively sa unang possession ng NU. Great taste white, grade 3 agad. Ang pinakol ni Parks, our coffee is white, great taste white. This time Parks drives in and lays it over ball.
And that is really the strong part in the game of Ray Park. Now they close out and he attacks. Tapos left side pa. That's a strong, actually that's a strong hand of Ray Park. But going to the other side, sabi ni Raul Soyo, dapat pala ganito para hindi tawagan ng traveling ng ating mga referee.
And Raul Soyo is a man who can put si Emmanuel Embe in all sorts of trouble because he has a shot from the outside. He also has post moves na pwedeng pahirapan itong front line ng National University, not just Embe.
Well, very important na masustain niya yung 17 points and 15 rebound game. And that was against Ingrid Sewa, who's about 2 inches taller than John Embe.
2 inches taller and about 100 pounds heavier, that's for sure. Let's talk about National University and check in with Tricia Robredo.
Eric and Alan, even with their current standing, the Bulldogs still feel a great sense of urgency. All the other games are very crucial, and the boys are conditioned to treat each one of them like a championship. Sabi nga ni Coach Eric, huwag na tayo mag-relax. Now that the target is within our reach, we might as well power through. A day after the victory against the Red Warriors, the Bulldogs went back to training in preparation for today's game. The coaches remind the boys that the Fighting Maroons are also hungry for a win, which is why they must not be taken lightly. The boys are expected to come out strong and to even play better than they ever did. In Coach Eric's words, we know what's at stake, now let's take care of business. Back to you, Eric and Alan.
Thank you, Tricia. B, superlative. Samsung Ativ, Book 9 Lite, it's PC redefined. That's the way to go if you're Eric Altamirano. Don't let, being the #1 team because of the standings get to the heads of your players.
It's
you
very
still need
important,
to maintain number 1 all the way.
Tama yun. It's very important for them to realize that it's very hard to play a team that doesn't have anything to lose. Walang pressure ang UP. Sinasabi nga ni Coach Ray, mag-enjoy naman tayo ng ating laro. Every time na meron tayong pagkakataon, dapat tiktikin natin ang koponan ng National University.
Marata, very early on the mark, and that's a good sign if you're UP. Napag-usapan natin yung struggles ng kanyang shooting, pababa ang percentage and even ang production, but he's starting off on the mark today. That's something UP can be happy about. Pero Parks also very aggressive. He has 7 of the 9 points of National University.
And it's very hard to allow Ray Parks to go to his left side. They have to stop him going to that left side and make sure that there's always somebody who will challenge his layup. And that will be the big guy. At this point, it's either Ball or Raul Soyo.
Porter is being tasked to shadow, the best defender ng NU, tasked to shadow itong si Marata. Rexona, Dumore, player of the game from Rexona. It won't let you down. Ito naman yung master winning move. Pangalawang beses nang sumaksa kay Ball. Itong si Parks, lose the oil, win the game with master. Put your game face on. Quick hands of Parks, tapping that out of bounds. Isang puntos lang ang kalamangan ng NU over UP dito. But 3 seconds to shoot para sa Fighting Maroons. Marata, catch and shoot. Wala. Parks on the break, looking for a friend, and that's tapped by Ball out of bounds. Let's go to Bea Fabregas.
Eric and Alan, going up against an opponent like the National University Bulldogs, everything needs to be in check. Now, according to Coach Ray Madrid, there were definitely glimpses in his past 2 games with the Maroons where he liked the way the boys were playing. But for today, it's going to take more than just glimpses of brilliance to get that win. Coach Ray told his boys to remember the roles and where they need to be on their defensive rotations. Also, they need to be in the right spots, especially when Ray Parks has that ball. And lastly, Coach put a great emphasis on rebounding because statistically, dito daw sila pinakabugbog. There will be so many advantages if we just get that rebound. Eric and Alan?
All right, thank you, Bea. Indeed, they're one of the teams at the bottom of the rebounding volume dito sa ating ano. They're just above FEU at about 51 rebounds a game. Be superlative, Samsung Ativ Book 9 Lite. It's PC redefined. Kita nyo dito, lumalaban ng UP, but newly inserted Kyle Lau unable to get the offensive board. Porter, kapos. Lau rejected by the taller Villamor from behind. 9-8. NU on top by 1. Join the break movement. Have a break, have a Kit Kat. 9-8 NU as Mark De Guzman is put into the ballgame by Eric Altamirano for the first time para sa NU. Celebrate great times with Yellow Cab. Delivery hotline 789-9999. Great times, great pizza. Happy birthday sa ating Coliseum announcer, Rolly Manlapa.
Talking about celebrations, ano? Of course, our good friend. Happy birthday, Rolly. But going back to Marata.
Mukhang birthday na rin.
Partner, dalawang 3 points na to. First quarter pa lang tayo.
Embe trying to make a move on Pascual, who's in the ballgame for the first time para sa UP. That's off the mark. And very good boxing out by the Fighting Maroons here in the first quarter. Kyle Lau signaling to play. De Guzman is all over him. Marata wants it. Parks is on him now. That's a travel.
Well, that's just a veteran call right there. Don Arguelles calling that one. Our referees for the ball game, number 17, Anthony Roque, Don Arguelles, and of course, veteran referee Arnolfo Bermeo.
Desiderio, that pass to Marata. Perfect combination from Pure Food Standard Juicy Chicken Cheese Hot Dog. Parks from outside. Wala na, medyo nalamig after knocking the first 3 of the game. He's been getting his baskets from within the shaded area. Alulino. Ito po yung ating players on the floor. You can see at the bottom of your screens from Hanes America's leading underwear brand. De Guzman makes his presence felt with a 2.
A real nice up and under move from De Guzman to tie the ball game at 11. Exactly 4 minutes to go.
Marata steps back. That is partially deflected. Nakuha ni Alulino ang bola. Embe gets to it. Parks is open momentarily, pero nawala na Alulino on the cut. Wala pa rin. That was an open look for Alulino. Now Marata looking to be aggressive. Marata, top shot in traffic against Parks.
Well, better decision making being asked from Joseph Marata. That was an opportunity para bitawan niya na yung bola, no? Just go for the break. Tingnan mo, nagkamali yung UP, attacking on the other side. Ray Parks taking advantage.
That was just like a layup line para kay Parks, who has 9 of the 13 of NU. Lau probing the defense. Lau lays it in.
Making basketball look easy. Kyle Lau, the lefty from Xavier, tying the ball game again, 13 all.
Nice pass by Villamor, pero the defense was better para sa UP. Coming down to 3 minutes left in the first quarter. Wow, spun into a double team, or triple team actually. Jello Alulino, poor decision making that time. Ito, yakisobrang move muna tayo. Easy layup para kay Parks. Brought to you by Nissin Yakisoba. Yakisobrang sarap, 13 all. Our 4th deadlock already just in the first quarter. Join the break movement. Have a break, have a Kit Kat. Agustini Amar is in the ball game for the first time para sa UP. While bagong pasok naman para sa NU si Javelona and Javillonar. Fearless shot from Fubu for Asbayas. Fubu International to drive sa baseline, no? Same height. Better skill set, I guess, sa opensa yon para kay Kyle Lau as he shoots over si De Guzman, Mark De Guzman.
But going back to the defense of UP, they've got to do a better job in stopping this offensive onslaught being shown right here by Ray Parks. And that's just good defense. Look at this. Another steal on the part of NU. No opportunity to run. Cal Clau missing on that one. Look at the last line of defense for NU. That's John Embe.
Offensive board by Pascual keeps it alive para sa UP after that miss on the break by Lau. Agustini Amar finds an opening. Top shot against a bigger defender in Embe. Ito ang NU. Tumatakbo na naman. Embe just a bit short from point-blank range. Soyud getting a little too fancy. Nawala ang bola, kinuha ni Mark De Guzman.
That's what I'm saying. Discipline is really something that UP has to learn at this point. They make a good stop, and the big man, Raul Soyud, brings down that ball. Now, all of a sudden, it's a 7-2 run. Tapos ilan doon, galing points of turnover because of some poor decision-making being done by UP.
5-point lead, the biggest para sa NU at 20-15. Amar is a long-armed wingman ng UP. Caused some problems here sa matchup. Instant slow-mo. Yung putback, Mark De Guzman, spice up your day with a new Max Spicy. Ito naman yung break. Finished with a slam. Mitsubishi G4 G-Tastic. The all-new Mitsubishi Mirage G4 gets a G-Life. 9 seconds to shoot. Amar gets the ball taken away by Paulo Javelona. And alley-oop this time on the other end. And Parks with a finish.
A little conscious effort on the part of UP to take care of that ball and lower this score. Okay.
Wow.
That's a good play right there. He's been playing well actually. Raul Soyud, dapat lang wag na siya magbaba ng bola, partner. Mahirap yung sentro ka na, point guard ka pa.
Right back at you, sabi ni Henry Asilum as he dishes an alley-oop para kay Raul Soyud, who has 6 points, along with Marata's 2 threes, an offensive foul.
Moving screen being called on the weak side.
Ito yung steal.
Turnover
ni Paulo Javelona.
UP.
Atid sa atin ang new C2 Red Tea and C2 Iced Tea. Healthy sarap. Great with meals. Straight away to a fast break mula sa Suzuki Swift Desire. Suzuki, a way of life. Under a minute remaining in the first quarter.
Fantastic first quarter. Ray Parks now with 14 points. Eric.
Nice fake by Soyud, who gets fouled on the drive.
He has been really gaining a lot of confidence, Raul Soyud. Good up fake, taking it strong against the big man. That's Rosario being called for that foul right there. 2 free throws for Raul Soyud.
Spice up your day with the new Max Spicy. 12 of the 17 of UP between Marata and Soyud. Parks naman ang nangunguna para sa NU with 14 of the 22. Ray Madrid, the new head coach of the Fighting Maroons.
Raul now with 7 points. So if they just hang on to the coattails of National University, every time there's no opportunity, they cannot force the issue and be able to stop this onslaught, this great game being played by Ray Parks. At that time, he just attacks, draws a double team, gives it up to a very open Javillonar for the 2.
First basket para kay Jeff Javillonar. 2 seconds between the game and shot clock. So NU may have the final say here. Nowhere to go para sa UP right now. Lau makes something out of nothing, and that's an air ball. Javelona unable to recognize the pass was going to him. Sayang yung opportunity para sa NU. I don't know if that's going to count. Jollibee champ for the quarter. Big Burger goodness like the weather. What a start for Ray Parks. 14 points.
Well, actually, not to see Ray Parks is just doing everything in the first quarter for NU.
24-19 after 4 deadlocks. Lamang na ngayon ang NU going into the second quarter. Coliseum for the first game of your Wednesday doubleheader. number 1 team, NU taking on the number 8 team, UP. And Parks with his best start so far in the season, 14 points, 6 of 8 from the field along with 2 assists. Pero he kicks off the second quarter resting on the bench. Para sa NU, Marata with 2 threes, drives inside looking for his first 2-point field goal. Rebound by Andrew Harris off the glass and in.
There's a good effort on the part of Andrew Harris. Going in for the first time. Another big man for Coach Ray Madrid. But UP will really have to be a little more conscious, especially with a high-scoring ball game. You know, you give National University a high-scoring ball game, medyo that's going to be a lot of advantage for the white shirt. But anything maybe below 70 points, tapos pagdating ng dulo, medyo bumabakbak pa rin ang UP. That is for a better chance for UP to win.
Big move from the Yellow Cap. Celebrate great times with Yellow Cap. Delivery hotline 789-9999. Great times, great pizza. Well, ang UP is the worst scoring team or lowest scoring team in the league, while ang NU is the number 1 defensive team. So UP's got a lot to overcome if they're looking at turning the tide here and winning against the highly ranked NU Bulldogs.
Well, that's 1 out of 2 on the part of Jeff Avillonar. Again, miscommunication coming from the UP Fighting Maroons. Pascual and Ball not communicating very well that time. Ball goes back to NU.
Kada code of the game is walang masaganang trip, kada banding chippy. 1 minute gone by here and nakaalago ng konti ang UP, pero NU looking for their first basket here in the second quarter. Several opportunities as UP cannot contain the defensive board. Alejandro buries them with a 3.
And that's because of the 2 offensive rebounds that was done by NU on that play. Even without Emben, no Ray Parks, UP will have to do a better job in getting that ball. Give lesser chances to NU.
Ball nowhere to go. Marata is picked up by Kubuntin.
Quick double teaming effort, making sure that Marata will really struggle in getting his points. Would rather give up that foul rather than Joseph Marata getting hot in this game.
Great Taste White, great 3. Mula kay Alejandro from Great Taste. Our coffee is white, Great Taste White. Tough shot. As the shot clock was winding down, Martin Pascual nails a 3.
That's 1 for the books. Actually, he has that shot, but I've never really seen him take that kind of a jump shot, Martin Pascual.
Asilum falls down and tatawagan ng offensive foul itong NU as you take a look at that bailout shot ni Martin Pascual. Yakisobrang move from DC Yakisoba. Yakisobrang sarap. They only had like 1 second remaining on the shot clock. And yung tres na yun, atid sa atin ang Great Taste White. Our coffee is white, Great Taste White. Ito yun, from a different angle.
Parang ako napareminis eh. Teka, ano ba 10 years ago? That was a Ren Ritualo shot from Martin Pascual.
Well, Pascual has had a penchant for that. He hit a similar shot, 3 din, under duress as the quarter was winding down in a different game.
That is the thing that Coach Ray wants from Joseph Marata. Those extra passes on a roll from Chris Ball.
And UP now is within 2 after trailing by as much as 7. Kobuntin finds an opening, overshoots the mark. Rosario, ganun din. Marata. Pascual is begging for it. Let's go to Bea Fabregas.
Eric and Alan, he's not on the court right now, but before the game, Coach Ray Madrid actually used Kyle Flau as an example for the whole team. Ang sabi ni Coach, ang kailangan natin puso pag nag-drive, ang puso ni Kyle Flau. And what Coach Ray means by this is he wants to see them fearless when they are driving to the basket. Now entering the second quarter, offensive and defensive rebounds are still what Coach Ray is asking for. And on Ray Parks, this is exactly why they were told to be in their spots when he has the ball. Hindi pwede ang nagkakalat on defense, pero mas lalo nang hindi pwede natatakot kay Parks ang UP Eric. Alan?
Thank you, Bea. Be superlative. Samsung Ativ Book 9 like. It's PC redefined. Well, they have been more aggressive sa kanilang mga drives. Ito, Asilum versus Paulo Javelona. And the ball is tapped out of bounds by Javelona. Ito muna, a fake and a jumper. Perfect combination. Pure Food Standard Juicy Chicken Cheese Hot Dog. Yung sinasabi mo, no? Oh, another role na binigay ni Real Madrid para kay Marata is to find your teammates and get them involved in the offense.
Well, that is really the story of this game, no? If Marata can get everybody involved in the offense, it would be easier for him to play in the fourth quarter. But if we will finish all his energy in shooting and come fourth quarter, nangyayari, nauubos na. Ito si Joseph Marata.
Andre Paras in the ballgame for the first time, unable to take the ball away from Embe on the defensive board of NU. 4 minutes gone by in the second quarter. 28-26, NU. Embe still has yet to assert himself. He gets double teamed there and loses the ball. Isang field goal pa lang para kay Emmanuel Embe today so far. He has 4 points. Marata drives by Kubuntin. They swing the ball around. Back to Pascual. 11 to shoot. The pick. Marata. Paras from outside. That's short. 4 against 2 and an easy layup para kay Emmanuel Embe. That's his 6th point of the game. 30-26. NU join the break movement. Have a break. Have a Kit Kat. Suzuki, fast break of the game from Swift Desire. Suzuki, a way of life. Excellent execution of a 4 versus 2 there by National University. Pero despite the fact itong UP within 4, 30-26. Desiderio looking for an opening. Chris Ball with 7 to shoot. Stretches it out and lays it in.
And, you know, that's the kind of patience that Coach Ray is really asking from the University of the Philippines. 2-point lead for NU.
Let's go to Tricia Robredo.
Eric and Alan, Coach Eric described the Bulldogs' performance as being too passive and slow. He is disappointed in how the boys have been wasting possession. He asks the boys to stop forcing their shots and to start making smarter decisions. For the rest of the quarter, Coach E wants to see the boys play more to their strengths. He asks the boys to tighten up on defense and to pressure Maroons like Marata and Dasilum more. They have been making uncontested shots, and the Bulldogs can no longer suffer from this. Make them think twice of their shots and limit their chances to score. Back to you, Eric and Alan.
Thank you, Tricia. Be superlative. Samsung Ativ, Book 9 Lite. It's PC redefined. They have been making some poor decisions. Kaya gusto nga ni Coach Eric Altamirano to really cut down on the errors. A big 3 knocked in by JJ Alejandro. 33-28 NU. Bagong pasok para sa UP. Galarza.
That's just the kind of effort that you expect from Emmanuel John Embe. Over 4 maroon shirts still getting that offensive rebound in the putback.
Supreme moment mula sa Lucky Me Supreme. Live Supreme. Gusto ni Coach Ray Madrid better rebounding kasi yun nga nabanggit mo. Around a bunch of fighting Maroons, Emmanuel Embe still prevailing. As you look at Porter sitting down para sa NU. Kaya pinasok na si Galarza. A little bit more energy, fresh energy to really help out on the defensive boards, most especially.
Ganun kalaki yan, ha? Second chance points on the part of NU, and of course, turnover points because of the turnovers or the errors being done by UP. Now it's a 7-point lead, a good shot on the part of Joseph Marata.
That one-hander, pumasok. But a 3 again from Parks after knocking 1 in the first quarter. 1 again here, 17 points. What a start. Paras. What a finish on the break.
That's Andre Paras. He's a running big, actually. He can play the 3 and the 4 position. Something that UP can really take advantage of. If only Andre will have that certain range pa, no? Because he already has that speed. Good 2 points on the part of Andre Paras.
Oh, nice find by Parks. Ronyo on the other end, who hit 3 out of 7 from beyond the arc in that win over UE. Pero hindi pumasok yung first attempt ni Robin Ronyo. Lose the oil, win the game with Master. Put your game face on. Second field goal para kay Chris Ball. Ito naman yung 3 from the corner, JJ Alejandro. Owishi, oh wow moment of the game. Open up to everyday surprises. 38-32 NU, 3:13 remaining in the second quarter. JR Galarza knocks it in.
After setting the screen, just rolling. Good pull-up jumper on the part of JR Galarza. Holding on. is UP. Just a 4-point lead and a good challenge in the fast break by Raul Soyud.
But you see, NU coach, talagang really pushing the pace. Every time they get an offensive or make that defensive board, they run. Soyud. Open momentarily, Marata. Soyud, the offensive board. Soyud, the putback. Medyo malakas. Paras gets it back. Fresh 24 para sa UP. A smaller Ronyo is on Marata. That's going to be an illegal pick. Andre Paras was moving as Robin Ronyo collided with him and fell down. 38-34, and you join the break movement. Have a break, have a Kit Kat. Paul Desiderio finding Andre Paras. PS Bank maasahan assist. Simple lang ipon sa PS Bank. Open a savings account now. 4-point lead for National University over University of the Philippines. Embe drives over Gallarza, finds the open Cobuntin. Glenn Cobuntin for the basket.
Actually, nakikita mo talaga yung power, no? Itong si Embe. Dahil dinideny na nga ni JR Gallarza, ipapunta niya sa kanan eh. Yung naiwas-iwas pa rin, naipasa pa. At ito, bonus free throw para kay Glenn Cobuntin.
Ito yun, no? As you just saw previously, yung Supreme moment mula sa Lucky Me Supreme, Live Supreme. That's the power of Embe. On our instant slow-mo, spice up your day with the new Max Spicy. Full court press by National University. Desiderio pushing it, getting it across the 8-second mark.
2 minutes.
JR Gallarza hounded, almost threw it away. Paul Desiderio with 10 to shoot, in and out. But Soyud is there. Soyud in trouble, turns around, short. Ball will go to NU, says our official, our baseline official.
Could have been better kung ni-reset na lang, no, ni Raul Soyud. No? Not much effort, di siya mapapagod. But after getting an offensive rebound against two white shirts, he had to force the issue in putting that ball back.
And he was asking the mid-court referee, wala bang foul? Wala ba? Because he was double-teamed on that turnaround. Fade away. Parks. Cobuntin all afternoon to shoot. Soyud again. What a monster on the boards right now. 4, or make that 6 rebounds para kay Raul Soyud. Soyud unaware, nasa likod. Si Ronyo taps it away. 3 against 2 here para sa NU. Cobuntin drives, blocked by Soyud. Soyud is everywhere today. 2 blocks for him. Lau, fearless against Embe. Pero wala. NU looking to run, but Cobuntin pulls back. Under a minute remaining in the first half.
Well, that's the maturity that Coach Eric has been saying. Certain things that you can force and certain things that you must not force. Good decision. Now, they almost had that sure 2 points. They only have 4 seconds left in the shot clock. Ano ba ni Robin Ronyo to?
Just in the nick of time, Glenn Cobuntin knocks in the 2.
That is why it's always a case of kung hindi mo kailangan i-force ang issue, there will be a good opportunity for an open shot. Exactly what happened to NU that time.
Desiderio with nowhere to go. Binigay kay Paras, back to Desiderio. Desiderio drives off the glass and in.
Well, he's really a scoring guard. Ito si Paul Desiderio.
Cobuntin, 5 to shoot. Cobuntin looks for Embe. Embe is trapped underneath. Ball tapped away. Will not have time to score the basket anymore. Pero what a performance para sa NU here in the second quarter. Jollibee champ of the quarter, Big Burger goodness like no other. JJ Alejandro with 6 points para sa NU, a team showing great offensive patience all throughout the first half, and they have the lead here 43-36 against UP at the half. But going back to our point, Parks already at his average, and we're halfway through the game pa lang. So, yun nga, napakalaking problema para sa UP. Not to stop him, but to slow him down.
43 points. If you double this, that's going to be 86. That's a lot of advantage on the part of NU. UP will really have to do a lot to stop this offensive onslaught being done by NU and, of course, by Ray Parks.
Embe with 10 already after that basket to kick off the third quarter. Well, NU isn't the highest scoring team in the league. They're only fourth highest, averaging about 71 points a game. So hindi sila yung tipong talagang uunahan ka at iiwanan ka. Pero if UP doesn't tighten up defensively, they may find themselves in a big hole. Marata attacks and scores again. 10 points for him.
One of the favorite moves, actually, of Joseph Marata, that runner.
Villamor in the ballgame for the first time para sa NU. Robin Ronyo. 8 to shoot. Parks inside to Emmanuel Embe. 5 to shoot. They swing it around. The pass off the board. Just 1 second left. Ronyo puts it up. Too strong. That's a 24-second shot clock violation on NU.
Coming from the half, itong UP employing a zone defense. Will they be doing this the entire second half? Tingnan natin.
Parks to Embe that time. Perfect combination mula sa Pure Foods Tender Juicy Chicken Cheese Hot Dog.
That's a good read on the part of J.R. Gallarza. There was no help side defense. John Embe not really challenging that layup. Down to a 5-point lead still for NU.
Let's check in with Bea Fabregas.
Eric and Allen, the Fighting Maroons, may not have had the lead after the first half, but they definitely used their time in the dugout to recharge and to get their energy started for the second half. Now, according to Coach Ray, alignment-wise, offensively and defensively, they're doing a good job. But what he wants to see from them right from now on is purpose. He asked them to recognize what they need to do with the ball, and with every action on the floor, make sure it has substance. Lastly, despite not having to lead, Coach Ray was more than happy to hear that the Maroons were leading the boards and rebounding 24-18. He told us Big that they need to believe him when he says that they have the speed advantage inside and that they need to drive to the basket. Eric and Allen.
Thanks, Bea. B Superlative, Samsung Ativ, Book 9 Lite. It's PC redefined. +6 sa rebounding ang UP over NU. But they really have to play much better than how they did in the first half. Marata, double team, goes to Soyud. Some open players asking for the ball. Soyud spins around and knocks it in. First basket for him in the third quarter.
That's actually a move of the scoring guards and the NBA. Parang si Kobe Bryant move. Jumper. Pero ito, mahirap to. One of the hardest shots to make, that shot of Joseph Marata.
Yakisobrang move yan. From Lisin Yakisoba, Yakisobrang sarap. And here's a big move from Yellow Cab. Celebrate great times with Yellow Cab. Delivery hotline 789-9999. Great times, great pizza. Gallarza averages just a little over 3 points a game.
And he's got 4 in this game, huh? J.R. Gallarza. Ray Parks now scores his 18th point of the ball game.
And ito na naman ang UP within 4, 46-42. Shake of the game from Mogu Mogu. You gotta chew. Gallarza is bringing down the ball para sa UP. A little unconventional. And he almost threw it away. And natapik lang ang bola palabas ng NU. UP gets a break there. They had nothing going. 12 seconds to shoot para sa Fighting Maroons. Asilum crosses over. Asilum with 6 on the shot clock. Parks to Alulino. Ball taken away by Asilum. But no, there's going to be a foul.
No, actually, tumama lang sa sideline yan. But good effort on the part of Andy Asilum to try and steal that ball of Jello Alulino.
Raul Soyud, our do-more player of the game, brought to you by Rexona. It won't let you down. Andrew Harris getting ready to check in para sa UP. Villamor, this play is taking some time to develop. Alulino crosses over. Alulino is fouled. Back-to-back fouls by Henry Asilum.
That's going to be the second team foul for UP. As you see, Raul Soyud, after scoring 4 points, but with a lot of effort here in the third quarter, being given a rest by Andrew Harris.
Let's go to Tricia Robredo.
Eric and Allen, the Bulldogs are frustrated with their performance in the first half. But instead of dwelling on their lapses, Coach Eric chose to encourage the boys to persevere and to just make up for their shortcomings. For the second half, Coach E wants the boys to be more patient and to just let their defense make the shots for them. Sabi nga ni Coach Joey Guanyo, alam ko gusto niyong lumamang pero huwag kayo magpumilit. Focus on making stops and controlling the rebounds. Lastly, they remind the boys to stick to their game plan because good things will happen when they are organized. Back to you, Eric and Alan.
Thank you, Tricia. Be superlative. Samsung Ativ, Book 9 Light. It's PC redefined as Sparks knocks in the basket on the break. And a foul as well from Sam Marata.
You talk about basketball IQ. Ito meron na eh. Pero hinintay pa rin nga talaga, no? Si Marata had to protect his ball. The ball was on the left. Opportunity for an end one. Ray Park.
That's a fearless shot from Fubu for us, by us. Fubu International. If you're the coaching staff, would you tell Marata, wag mo nang habulin yun? Because yun nga, ang bola was on his left side. He was protecting it with his body. So it's, sasabit ka.
Well, but you know, there was momentum on the part of Joseph Marata, and he really wanted to challenge that shot of Ray Park. Pag naglalaro ka na, ganyan, you would want to challenge everything. You know, a little trivia lang dito, ha? Ito si Coach Eric Altamirano, Coach Joey Guanyo, Coach Ray Madrid, and Coach Ramil Cruz. They were teammates in the 80s at UP Fighting Maroon.
Was that the part of the cast of the 86 championship? O hiwa-hiwalay din?
They're all part of it. They're all part of it.
Parks leading the break is Villamor with an easy basket, and now itong NU with their biggest lead, a double-digit advantage at 53-42.
Well, sitting on the bench, the starters, that's Raul Soyud and Chris Ball. And also Marata is seated on the bench. So where will the offense of UP come from at this point here in the third quarter?
Good question. 3 seconds to shoot. Hindi rin alam ni Galarza kung saan magagaling. Neither does Kyle Slough know, and 24-second shot clock violation para sa UP. NU calls a break here. Join the break movement. Have a break. Have a Kit Kat. Maaasahan assist. Parks, Villamor. Safe na lang mag-ipon sa PS Bank. Open a savings account now. Yan yung pang 11th point ng lead. Itong NU over UP. 53-42 coming out of 5 minutes remaining in the third quarter. Parks coming out and directing the play. He wants somebody on the wings. Puts it off the glass against about 3 maroon shirts around him.
And come on, Eric, tell me there was no challenge on the part of the maroon shirts that time. That's just pure energy, challenge, and pure athleticism on the part of Ray Park. And an open miss by Andrew Harris. That's going to be a 4-point swing. What was supposed to be an easy 2 points became 2 points for NU.
Medyo nanggigil yata si Harris, sobrang open.
Hindi, kasi siya yung challenge doon sa tira nina. Dito si Ray Park, sumut pa rin eh. Pero dito sa kabila nga, parang yun pa rin ang iniisip niya. Paano bang na-shoot nito si Ray Park yung tira na yun?
Haynes on the floor, America's leading underwear brand. Steady hand mula kay Kyle Slough. His 4th point of the game. First basket since the first quarter. Pero malaki-laki hinahabol nila dito. Parks thought about it, a 3, goes in. That's a tougher shot though. Harris the rebound. Raul Soyud getting ready to check in. 57-44 NU. Paul Desiderio drives down the middle, puts it up. Yes.
Good 4-point swing on the part of UP coming from Paul Desiderio this time. That's going to be the 4th point from the rookie. Still an 11-point lead for NU. At this point, it's not about the offense being played by UP. It's about how they're going to be stopping the offensive players of NU.
Jeff Habillonar dishing at the last second. Great find in Emmanuel Embe.
Textbook basketball shown by the white shirts. Habillonar already had the shot, or was it Villamor? But he still chose to give that extra pass. Look at this. Nahuhulog na, challenge pa ni Harris. Ganun talaga buhay, partner. Eh? Ganun talaga.
That's an oh wow moment. Yun lang nasabi ni Harris. A wish you oh wow moment of the game. Open up to everyday surprises. And Coach Madrid calls a break here. Join the break movement. Have a break. Have a Kit Kat. Master winning move. Wala kay Villamor. Lose the oil, win the game with Master. Put your game face on. Dennis Villamor off the bench. (59-46) NU. Soyud is back in the ballgame, replacing Andrew Harris. And Embe, great defense. Kabuntin. Great passing and ball movement by NU. Avillonara from outside. Oh, that's way off.
Dito pa lang from our angle, no? Nung lumirilis, pakaliwa to. It's not going in.
Luigi Altamirano is wearing a bracelet from Silverworks. He's our courtside charmer. Silverworks live to play. Manong-mano sa...
Oh, sino kamukha? Sino kamukha? Hindi ka na pwede magkamali. Ha? Of course, the younger son of Coach Eric Altamirano. Good guy, it's Luigi.
Here's our Nike power rebound of the game. Nike play like it's still summer. Embe with his 4th rebound of the game. Now trying to come off a pick. Di na ipasa yung bola sa kanya. Desiderio creating his own offense right there. 6 points for the young kid.
Some bright moment, not opportunity for the kids, for the boys to play. But a foul's going to be called right here against Paul Desiderio and a driving Jello Alolino.
The Guzman family, life-changing moment. Mula sa RCBC Savings Bank's My Loans. It's life-changing. Parks is back in a very short rest for Ray Parks. 23 points, 4 rebounds. Stand corrected, Embe has 7 boards na pala in this game so far.
Cool and composed. Coach Eric Altamirano, knowing what he wants to do here in this ball game. They might have struggled early in offense. Something that they're doing right here is making sure UP has a harder time on their offensive pattern.
2 for 2 kay Alolino. He has 4 points, all scored in the 3rd quarter. A spin and sobra yung tira ni Chris Ball. Or make that Raul Soyud spinning into a double team, kaya kailangan niya ipasa. Open is Kubuntin, Glenn Kubuntin, wala. Parks saves it. Fresh 24 for NU. Parks fumbles. Alolino, 9 to shoot. Nice pass, good cut, and a foul by Martin Pascual on Jeff Avillonara.
Yeah, somehow, those cuts of NU are the ones that are really killing UP. There was no help side defense that time. The ball was alanganing tira. Eksakto naman yung pagkat nito si Jeff Avillonara.
That movement without the ball, kitang-kita sa ating instant slow-mo. Spice up your day with the new Max Spicy. And great discipline instilled by Coach Eric Altamirano on the Bulldogs. Try to free yourself up. Even if you don't have the ball, you don't have to possess it to create your own offense. Try to look for the openings sa floor.
A lot of good coaches would preach this. Sometimes you don't have to run for yourself. Or a lot of times you don't have to run for yourself. But you run for your teammates. Tulad nun, tumatakbo siya, hindi man niya nakuha ang bola doon, pwede siyang kuha ng offensive rebound. O kaya matudraw niya yung defense. So yung movement without the ball, sometimes it's getting to be a lost art.
Yeah,
a lost art
I agree.
Dito sa basketball.
Only the well-disciplined teams, you see them execute that. Avillonara drives down the middle and is clobbered. Either it's going to be on Amar or Soyu, they don't even know. We'll wait for the officials.
Good decision-making on the part of Jeff Avillonara, making sure that he attacks the defense of the big man of UP. Foul 2 free throws. Sino tinawagan?
Soyud, as we see our comfort team in action, Hanes, America's leading underwear brand.
So even if he misses that first free throw, at least he gets that extra foul from Raul Soyud. Soyud now, that's just going to be the first foul actually of Raul.
Very steady at the line. 6 points para kay Jeffrey Javillonar. 64-48 is the NU lead. It is Chris Ball tasked to bring down the ball. Under a minute remaining in the third quarter. Soyud is posting up on Javillonar, or Cobuntin, I'm sorry. Desiderio unable to get it to Soyud, who had a good seal on Glenn Cobuntin. Paulo Javelona gives it up. They swing the ball around to Parks. 10 to shoot for NU. Parks getting his own miss. And the final basket will definitely be in the hands of NU.
Talk about nose for the ball. He misses that one. Opportunity for UP to get that ball. 11 seconds. And now last chance to score here in the third quarter. Still goes back to NU.
Javillonar spins. Great fake. Javillonar off the glass. Wala. Great effort on the part of National University. They really burned every second on that shot clock. Jollibee champ of the quarter. Big Burger goodness like no other. The great Ray Parks with 23 points and 8 rebounds in the game. And that's why NU is comfortably ahead here at the end of the third quarter. 64-48 against UP. The University of the Philippines hunting down their first win. They've lost 10 in a row. And they've got 10 more minutes to sort this one out, as they are starting this fourth quarter down by 16, 64-48 against NU. Anton Altamirano naman, ating seat surprise winner, Hanes America's leading underwear brand. On the whole family supporting Coach Eric Altamirano here.
Pahanap na rin natin si Marisa Altamirano, no? Para kompleto na. Of course, they're all enjoying supporting their dad, Coach Eric. And of course, they're very happy at this point. They're on top by 16 points.
Pascual from outside with 2 on the shot clock. Soyud, the offensive board over Glenn Cobuntin. Soyud powering his way inside. What a basket. 12 points, Raul Soyud. $14 points more to overhaul para sa UP. Parks, though, going inside. That wasn't even close. Pascual, though, unable to collar the rebound. Yakisobrang move from Nisin Yakisoba. Yakisobrang sarap. What a monster inside.
Oh, that should make Coach Ray Madrid very happy. Great effort. How many points? 12 points, no? Para dito kay Raul Soyud.
Kyle Napes is in the ballgame for the first time. Spots up. Off the glass, wala. But Parks tracks down the loose ball.
Well, getting away with that push was Rosario. The fresh shot clock for the National University Bulldogs.
Oh, nice behind the back dribble. Parks, that was partially blocked by Marata. 3 against 2. Marata stops for a 3. Oh, what a big turnaround.
Well, that's the thing, no? Yung energy na pinakita ni Soyud will wrap down on defense. And then, ito nga, napatakbo ang UP. That's a 5-0 run for the Maroon Shirts.
They are within 11 now after starting the fourth quarter, down by 16. Cobuntin dribbles the ball off his foot. 4 seconds to shoot. That's a long 3 by Parks. Does not even draw iron. Marata, eyes as big as plates, forces the issue against 2 defenders looking for a foul. Even Coach Madrid is asking for one. Paulo Javelona blocked. Great defensive back-to-back sequences from UP. Desiderio fakes off the glass. It's good.
And he's been very offensive-minded. This rookie from Cebu, Paul Desiderio. 7-0 run. Now just a 9-point lead. Still a very manageable lead right here for the white shirts.
Paulo Javelona is fouled shooting a 3. Desiderio has been playing a pretty good game, but defensively he had a miscue there, a little bit of a hiccup. Marata spots up for a Great Taste White, Great 3. Our coffee is white, Great Taste White.
Hindi nila stop yung kanyang momentum on the shot of Javelona. Big development, struggling here in the fourth period. And now will be given 3 free throws. Itong si Javelona.
Kit Kat's best break. Join the break movement. Have a break, have a Kit Kat. The first is off for Paulo Javelona, who is just a 25% three-point shooter. At the free throw line, 50%. Gets 1 for 2. And he rattles in the third.
Some improvement on the part of Javelona from 50%. On that time, he had 66 on a 2 out of 3. Back to an 11-point lead for NU.
But you see the fire in UP right now. They've got a good start. Question is, can they keep momentum and sustain all the way to the end?
Dahil medyo ngayon pala bumabalik si Emmanuel Embe, well rested against the effort of Raul Soyud.
And for more about UP, let's go to Bea Fabregas.
Eric and Alan, the number one thing that Coach Real Madrid wants to see from his boys right now is ball reversal. Now, NU has done too good a job at pressuring UP at masyado nang pilit ang mga tira ng Fighting Maroons. He reminded them that when they experience pressure, they cannot back down, but rather they need to challenge it full on. The Bulldogs are moving the ball well, but the only real opponent on the floor, according to Coach Ray right now, is Bobby Ray Park. He's urging the boys to set picks away from the ball, and once that shot is open, take it with absolute confidence. Eric and Alan?
Thank you, Bea. Be superlative. Samson Ativ, Book 9 Light. It's BC redefined. They are more aggressive. They're facing the challenge head on at the start of this fourth quarter. Yun nga. Question of sustainability ng ganitong klaseng intensity. Master winning move. Lose the oil, win the game with Master. Put your game face on. It's almost an automatic 2 points if he's in that position. But Soyud with a long 2 showing us his range, 14 points.
But you know, going back to that report of Bea, talking about Ray Parks, all of a sudden, pinakita natin yung slow-mo. The 6'5", even the height of Martin Pascual cannot challenge that powerful move from Ray Parks.
Now let's go to Trisha Robredo.
Eric and Alan, Coach, he has definitely seen improvements from the boys in the third quarter. He's happy with how the boys have been working as a team, making it easier for each of them to make their shots. He also commended the boys for picking up the pace, and he asked them to continue to run in the remaining minutes of the ball game. Coach E believes, however, that they can do a lot better job in defense. He asks the boys to put in more effort in containing and pressuring the Maroons. Konting minuto na lang, boys, ibigay na natin ang lahat. Back to you, Eric and Alan.
Thank you, Trisha. Be superlative. Samsung Ativ, Book 9 Light. It's BC redefined. An easy layup para kay Emmanuel Embe as he turned to the baseline. Andrew Harris wasn't even able to give a little opposition.
Alam mo, matagal na yan dito si Embe. No? Kaya yung sinabi ni Coach Eric, konti na lang, give it everything you've got, tinagalog. Ayun, si Embe, nakakaintindi na. Ito, Coach, para sa'yo.
Here's a catch and shoot. No hassle play from Pure Foods Crisp and Juicy Wingers. No bones, no hassle. Yellow Cap, big move. Ito yun. Celebrate great times with Yellow Cap. Delivery hotline 789-9999. Great times, great pizza. Andrew Harris is a very athletic guy, but Embe made him look like an average one in that play. Gallarza. That's going to be a violation para sa UP. That good start, starting to fade away para kay Real Madrid.
Only 5 minutes and 43 seconds to go. And UP has only scored 57 points. This was the bad pass, bad communication, great defensive effort actually in the part of NU.
Spice up your day with the new Max Spicy. Embe again, they want this mismatch against Andrew Harris. Alulino faking. Still some time to work with. 7 on the shot clock. Almost a violation. Alulino, 3. Without Marata, without Soyud, you're thinking here, how is going to UP execute?
Well, I'm sure going down to the final 4 minutes of the game, we expect Marata and Soyud to be back.
Well, 5 minutes left UP. Now. Gallarza from outside. In and out. Embe the rebound. Dennis Villamor doesn't like what he sees and brings it back out to Jello Alulino.
Well, time is on their side. No need to rush things. on the part of NU. Still 8 seconds left in their shot clock. Ray Parks knows this, I'm sure.
Wow, such patient offense. They were just looking for the best opportunity. When Parks was open, 4 seconds left to shoot, drains a three. 73-57, NU over UP here in the fourth. Perfect combination from Pure Foods Tender Juicy Chicken Cheese Hot Dog. That three puts Parks above his previous season high of 26 points. He has 28 today, along with 9 rebounds.
Well, of course, if he's going to double the 17-point output, which he had in the first half of this ball game, it's going to be 34. If you're Coach Eric Altamirano, going to the final stages of the eliminations, you would want your Ray Parks to up on his average and, of course, score on the 30s. Or ito na nga, ang nangyayari dito, 28 na, itong si Ray Parks.
Spice up your day with the new Max Spicy. That foul by Dennis Villamor on the driving Kyle Slao. 9 seconds to shoot. Naibalik na si Marata and si Soyud para sa UP. And nabanggit mo nga yan, Coach Alan, the final stretch para humabol, pero they really can't even get a good look at the basket.
And the sad part is that's coming off a timeout where they'll be fighting Maroons. Not even a shot was taken that time, going to the final 4 minutes of this game.
Parks. Alulino almost shuffled his feet. Robin Ronyo from the corner with 3 on the shot clock. Mapupunta sa NU ang bola. Nag-agawa ng dalawang fighting Maroons. That's Soyud and Ball. And nothing going right para sa UP. Parks open again. Shoots. Tapik palabas ang bola ni Troy Rosario.
Well, they're just not giving up on the play, huh? Not even after that shot, Rosario wanted to still get that offensive rebound.
This was earlier, yung Bostik Tapal, king of the game natin. Si Dennis Villamor, brought to you by Bostik Super Bowl Casil. Soyud fishes a foul off Embe. Nice move by the big man. Ito naman yung
a good pass, right? It was a very good pass on the part of Marata.
And a great move by Raul Soyud. Spice up your day with the new Max Spicy.
Well, John Embe just making sure that there's no easy 2 points on the part of Raul Soyud.
Soyud playing a splendid game today, 15 points, along with 11 rebounds.
But something that we really have to talk about here in this game, Alulino and Parks has a total of 14 assists already in this game. The whole UP team only has 8. So that shows a lot, no? Yung talking about teammanship from the part of the UP Fighting Maroons.
The great ball movement, Alulino, the pass again, finding the open man. Di nga lang nakakuha ng puntos doon. Great defense by Soyud. And a foul by Ronyo stopping the break. Spice up your day with the new Max Spicy. There could have been a go-ahead pass here on the part of Soyud. Nasa kanan niya, nasa wing si Marata, who may have been open, pero that's water under the bridge as Ronyo commits the foul and Soyud is put to the line.
Raul Soyud has scored 17 points. If he scores this one the last 2 games, he has averaged 17 points, but still not enough to help the UP Fighting Maroons get over. With only 2 minutes and 47 seconds. Although it's not yet over, no? There's still time, but they've got to make this stop right here.
Embe off the glass. Rosario keeping it alive. Rosario, what an effort. Just tenacious on the boards. And Soyud picks up his 3rd personal there.
Well, that is why Emmanuel Embe has that confidence to take that 10-footer. It's because he knows that even if he misses that shot, there's a big guy like Troy Rosario who's going to get that rebound. And that's exactly what happened. As Troy Rosario gets that offensive rebound, he was fouled. 2 free throws, makes 2 out of 2. This was almost a score. No, in the first time, in the first round where they met, the score then was 74-60. Now with 2 minutes and 25 seconds remaining, 75-60 na. Still for NU.
Asilum finds Soyud again underneath. Tough cover para kay Rosario, but he's able to bother the shot of Soyud. Go ahead pass to Ronyo. Ronyo pulls back. Coming down to the final 2 minutes, brought to you by PS Bank. Team na lang mag-ipon sa PS Bank. Open a savings account now. Embe trying to blow past Soyud, gets the ball knocked away. Eto si Kyle Lau for the easy basket.
Something that we have been looking for. Now, 1 dribble lang yun, so that's going to be an assist for UP. But a little too late for Timanship. But you've got to be happy, no? We got to be happy. That's a strong move, good finish, good pass on the part of Joseph Marata.
Bubu fearless shot for us by us. Bubu International. Parks all the way. Yes!
Posterize! Oh my God! 30 points for Ray Parks over the outstretched arms of Raul Soyud.
Oh man, Soyud's going to be part of so many YouTube replays, that's for sure. What a solid throwdown by Parks on the break.
You know, nagbababa pa lang ng bola, no? He was just bringing that ball down as if I already knew what he was going to do with that leather. Ray Parks. That will be a part of a lot of talks here for this season.
Oh, wow. And little playground basketball na para kay Jello Alolino. That's his 6th point of the game.
And you know, he's really good in doing those things, making basketball look easy. A solid point guard, does not force the issue. Jello Alolino. That's why he's getting major minutes from Coach Eric Altamirano.
And just a total breakdown as well of the defense of UP at this point. Under a minute remaining. It's just token defense they're putting up. Ooh, almost another highlight. Ronyo looking for Parks. Medyo mataas lang ng konti.
Hindi, at saka nangyari kasi nasa my right side, you know, that's not the shooting hand of Ray Parks. We talked about the 30s. Now he's already 30 points. He scored 17.
That was almost
Parks,
illegal.
another offensive rebound. A lot of offensive rebounds. They're not stopping to play. That's National University.
Well, here's the Mitsubishi G4G. Fantastic. Slam dunk by Parks. The all-new Mitsubishi Mirage G4 gets the G Life 79-62. NU over UP with 24.4 seconds remaining. Dumore, player of the game from Arizona. It won't let you down. Parks with a new season high 30 points in the game. And also posterizing Soyud in the process. And Ronyo will dribble out the remaining seconds of this impending win. National University over University of the Philippines. Official score is 79-62. RCBC Savings Bank, life-changing move from RCBC Savings Bank's My Loans. It's life-changing. Parks has been unstoppable since the beginning of this game. Finished with 17 at the half and then continued to sizzle. Congratulations, National University, the winning Team Bonchon of the game, powered by Bonchon Chicken. Team Bonchon for the win, 79-62, NU over UP. (79-62) National University over the University of the Philippines as they continue to win, and UP continues to lose here in season 76 of the UAAP. Jollibee champ of the game, big burger goodness like no other.
Well, the whole game, no? Yung talagang laro from the start of the game. We have been mentioning his name, Ray Parks. 30 big points, including this very big Slama Jama over the outstretched arms of Raul Soyud.
And he puts up a new season high in the process of coming up with another win para sa National University. He is also our PS Bank maasahan player of the game. Simple lang mag-ipon sa PS Bank. Open a savings account now. And puntahan natin yung panalo ni Parks sa ating Gatorade Fuel Duel of the game. Definitely fueled for the win with Gatorade. What can you say? I mean, just an all-around great performance from start to finish para kay Parks. There have been times, first half lang siya gagawa or second half, minsan papaubaya sa teammates yung point production, pero today he really just did it all.
Well, the timing also of how Ray Parks was doing it. He was not forcing the issue. Ikot ang bola, going to the final 5 seconds, all of a sudden you will see an open 3-point shot. Or yung mga effort na ginagawa niya in challenging the shots of UP. That triggers the fast breaks for the NU Bulldogs.
Just an impressive performance for Parks as they continue to amp up their game towards the end of the elimination. Tingnan natin yung ating update sa Avida Hit It Home. Take one for the team and shoot now. Join Avida's Hit It Home. Third place, NU. UE is at second while Adamson still undefeated in the first place. Ayan po yung mga score. Kitang-kita nyo, ang laki ng lamang ng Adamson over everyone else, as maybe the host of Season 76, malaki rin yung advantage sila in that way. Mula dito sa Araneta Coliseum, ating main event. Ito po, Lasal versus UE. Malaking tanong, will Mommy play? Yes, he will. So he will see action today, so that's going to be a big help para sa Red Warriors, who will need him to advance to the Final Four.
Well, that's going to be another big story come second game, Yung tanong nga, will Mommy play? Ang balita natin, maglalaro, pero abangan pa rin natin ang susunod na kabanata.
Alright, thanks to our director Al Neri, producer Vic Caridad, for Tricia Robredo, Bea Fabregas, my partner Alan Gregorio. I'm Eric Tipan. Thanks for watching. Marami pang aksyon. Lasal UE coming up next. Itong coverage ng Season 76 ng UAAP hatid sa inyo ng ABS-CBN Sports.